Hi, this is Ricky at Quartermax and RJ Race Cars. Today we're going to be upgrading to a new set of Intercomp wireless scales for our shop that we use for weighing new cars and doing chassis setups. I'm going to show you what's in the box and how to use them. That's going to be our controller. And then we've got the 4 scale pads. Man, those are awesome. This is the controller box. We're going to open it up, put the batteries in it. This will be the brains of the scale system. To get to the battery panel, you just flip it over, pop this out, and we're going to put our batteries in. For the scales, to access the batteries, you just lift it up, and then right here on the side there's these 2 little screws. Just pop those guys out, and now you can lift out this whole section here, and this is where the batteries go. See it down inside there. This just drops back in. And now when you turn that switch on, a little light there should be blinking green. You know you've got power. So we got the batteries all put in the scales, they're ready to go. We're going to power up our box here by pushing on. I'm going to choose drag race. It's got all these different modes you can choose for different forms of motorsports, but I'm going to do drag race. And go ahead and step on these guys, just do a quick test. And as you can see, they're reading. So we're ready to get these things underneath the car. Okay, so when you go to put these underneath the car, if you look right here, there's a little tag on each scale. It tells you which corner it goes to. So this would be the right front. And I'm still switched on, so I'm going to go ahead and put this underneath the car. And it's important to keep it centered front to back and also in and out. I always just like to center it up. So after we've got the scales all laid out under the car where they need to be in position properly, you just double check, push the 0 button, make sure everything's zeroed. And then right here it says you can actually zero a particular corner if you want, or if you want to zero all of them, just push 0. Boom, everything's zeroed, we're ready to drop this thing down on the scales. So then as we drop the car on the scales, you actually see the readout start to go up when the weight hits. All right, so we've got the car on the scales. Looking at the numbers here, looks great. It's a brand new C7 Corvette we just built. Numbers look great. I think it's ready for the racetrack. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to save this setup by pushing the store button. And in here you can push a number. I'm going to push 01 and save it. And I'm going to go ahead and overwrite the one I did earlier. So I've got that saved. Another cool feature is, like, if it's nighttime or kind of dark, you can push the backlight button and the screen will actually light up for use at night. And this thing is awesome, truly. Something I'm curious about though is how far away I can work with this thing. I think we're going to take a walk out to the fence and see if this thing will still read. I'm going to signal inside and have them let the car down and see if this thing can still get a reading. Go! There it goes, they're letting it down. That's incredible. Man, that's incredible. I'm like 100 feet away. Wow. That's so cool. That's so cool. Hey guys, thanks for watching this deal. If you guys need any Intercomp products like this, give us a call. We got them online at quartermax.com. We'll see you next time.